Hello there, today we will draw Azrael, Gargamel's cat in the Smurf. To start, we will start here with the tail, just to warm up, kind of. So we will start with a straight line up here. So this is up the tail. And then we will go here, 2 fingers, back this way. And now we do half a circle, this way. And now we come back parallel. Roughly here we have the back stopping here. So we just put a dot here. And now we just do parallel to here, then mark it like that. So you can go there. And now we come down and we have the back. And we'll finish this with a curve. We do the back afterwards. Now we're here. This is the tail of Azrael. One of the nice things, it's a cat, so it's furry. So you do lines like that to emphasize the fur, sorry. And now we do the back. So now one line like this to the left. Once you're here, always like a little bend, and now down. You can see a bit more than 2 fingers. So we have one leg, so to say. What you do now, you go here, 1 finger apart, you put a dot here, and now you do kind of parallel to this. You do a line like that, goes here, and now we do the same kind of move, a bit different. So here, this is the parallel of that line. Now we come down here, you see? So this is the back of one leg, the other leg. We do the belly here. That's the beginning of the belly. So we do a line here, just to position ourselves. And now we do one line here. That's also part of the leg. That line comes here. We finish the leg. And now what we do, come back down and a bit the paw. So here we have one leg finished. We do the same thing over here. Now we do a bit more than a finger, a little bit more here, roughly here. So you do pretty much a parallel move. Finish here, a little bit further. And now we go down. And then we have here a paw. So what you do now here, you can see you can go further down because we're in front. Go like here, here you connect. Okay. Then we can go a little bit further down here too. So here we will finish it with the grass here later. But now we have the back. So, and we have the little poo-poo hole here, also marked nicely. So now we continue here with the back. So the back you do approximately 3 fingers, a bit more than 3 fingers, and you mark yourself here. And then you go. Slightly bent the line, has to be too straight. So now we have the back, and now we do just also like 2 fingers, 1.5 finger. We do the continuation of that line here. Here, that's it. Yeah, 2 fingers, that's enough. And now we have the bottom to finish and the head. So what we do now, we do the leg, so we can continue to work on this here. We'll work this way for the right-handed ones of us. So what you do here, a line, now you go just like that. So you can see this is one of the leg, front leg. And what you do now, you take your finger, you mark like 45 degrees down here, put yourself a mark here, and what you do now, simply as that, up, and then you become here parallel to this, and you stop here. See? Now we have that line. This is one leg. And then we will have the other one on the back. So what you do now, here, this one, and of course, now you have another line here parallel. And this is the 4th leg. Okay, now you can see what we are doing. You need another line, which is the belly line, because the belly is wide. So what you do, you just connect those two. And now we have the front of the cat of Azrael is also white. So what we do here now, we just do a line up, a couple of furry lines, and now we connect up here, almost at the same place here. That's it. And now we have already the chest. It's very simple, like that. Again, we will finish all the lines down here with the grass. That's the last trick. Now we're only missing the head. So with the head, we will start kind of, I would say, with the ear, so we can give ourselves a nice kind of a circle. So what we do, we start here with 2 fingers, the height of 2 fingers, roughly here. So what you do, you mark yourself here in this kind of line. So 2 fingers, yeah, 2 fingers. Let's call it 2 fingers, like that. And now we try to do a whole oval circle like that. Okay. You can also, if you want, put yourself some helping dots to control your lines. I can imagine I will do that in that case 3. I do it here, just that you know. And you can help yourself with that. The nice thing, we don't have to be too precise. So what we do, we just go and we start. It's very kind of simple. You exhale when you do your circles. It's very important to know that. And then you let the air out. So we already have the shape of the face. What we do now are the ears. So you can go a bit closer if you want. And now we do a line up. That's the inner part of the ear. And now we do here. We finish up here, just above that line. So you do it like this, like a sail. And now we have, the ear will finish here, but we have a little indent here. So you do it like that, and half a circle like that. And you come back. And we already have here 1 ear. So we need the other one. Just I take this here, then down, up, and now slightly curved, we have the other ear. Now we need the face. So the face we start just here, which is the bottom of the nose. So what we do now is like kind of a circle like that, comes back here, and now we do another line, not like that, almost like a heart. We would just do it like a circle that comes back like that. So this is the nose, and now we connect this like that, the split, and now it's a miserable cat in general. So we have the lines like that to down. So you can emphasize it like that, make it a little bit stronger. Do this at the end anyway, so you can make it like that. Now we have just the last bit, which will be the eyes. So the eyes we start in the middle, of course. So what we do is like a circle like that, and circle over like that. On the other side, like that. Now we need the frowning bit, 2 lines parallel. Now we do eyebrow, come back, and we have that on the other side too, just up and down. Now we need the eyes. You can have it look in the back towards you. On the other side, we do the classical cartoon, original cartoon, so we do it like that, looking backwards. Now we fill that out, and Azrael is pretty much finished. So now to give kind of a shiny effect, we don't color the whole nose, you do it like that, so 3/4 of it. You can keep it like that in black and white, or you put this afterward into a bluish color. So now we do like nice little things. That's easy. We do the grass as I said. So the grass goes like that. You go wild, like that. It's up to you. It's not very difficult. Just in that direction I like to do it. So, and if you miss, you just do, let's do it like this. The pro is even more prominent like that, and a line like that. So now Azrael is pretty much finished, as you can see, and now we do the nice little finishing. So you can show that it's a fur. We've done it already here. Now we do it also here. Maybe one here. And now we do the shading there, because we want to give a little bit of dimension to it. So just a line a bit further down here. You fill it out in black. We do the same thing here. A line a bit further down. We have it like that. Now the eyebrow, to make it stronger, you fill it out. Just a second line. And Azrael is finished.